Good morning, students. Today's topic band theory. The conductivity of any material can be explained on the basis of band theory and band theory based on energy gap in between valence band and conduction band. In case of metals, band gap is very small. In case of metals, band gap is very small. In case of metal, band gap is very small or negligible, but in case of semiconductor, band gap is partial. But in case of insulator, band gap is maximum as shown in following diagram. Look, आप देखें कंडक्शन बैंड, बैलेंस बैंड, नो गैप, दैट्स वाई मेटल. Here partial gap semiconductor, large gap insulator. Okay, on the basis of band gap we can suggest nature of material. Now we discuss semiconductor. Now semiconductors are created by doping group 13 of group 15 element by the lattice of group 15. It is of two type. ग्रुप 15 के लैटिस में ग्रुप 13 और ग्रुप 15 के एलिमेंट्स को डोप करने पे आपके दो टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर बनेंगे. फर्स्ट वन एन टाइप, सेकेंड वन पी टाइप. लेट्स स्टार्ट एन टाइप. इन केस ऑफ एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर, electron rich impurities means when silicon is doped with the help of group 15 elements such as arsenic, antimony, which contain 5 electrons in outermost shell and 4 electrons form covalent bond with germanium. After bonding, 1 electron of arsenic or antimony इज फ्री. 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन बॉन्ड कर लिए, एक फ्री हो गया. कौन सा? आर्सेनिक का. वो जो फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन है इन is the free, and that free electron conduct electricity, and the free electron conduct electricity very easily is in comparison to pure elements. Since electron of each doped element is free, therefore that conductor act as electron rich and known as n-type semiconductor. N-type semiconductor. In case of n-type semiconductor, look, silicon doped with arsenic. This is the arsenic and this is the free electron. Okay, arsenic, free electron. When 15 groups are doped in fourth group element lattice, fifth electron is free and that free electron conduct electricity. That's why that semiconductor act as n-type semiconductor. Now come to the p-type semiconductor. When group 13 elements doped in group 14 elements lattice such as silicon and germanium, then p-type semiconductor are formed. Outermost 3 electrons of gallium involved in bonding with other 3 surrounding germanium atom. One space of gallium is vacant, which is commonly known as hole. The direction of movement of hole is just opposite with respect to movement of electron. जिस साइड में इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो करेगा उसके अपोजिट होल फ्लो करेगा। पी टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर में अब देख लो, फिगर में आपको दिख रहा होगा। इन केस ऑफ पी टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर, फोर्थ ग्रुप लैटिस doped by gallium. Gallium form 3 bond but one is vacant. That's why there is hole, and that hole is used to conduct electricity. It is the p-type semiconductor. Now next topic is magnetic properties. Magnetic behavior of any material is observed due to presence of unpaired electrons, as well as domains. Unpaired electrons as well as domains. The magnetic property are created by two type of motion of electron, such as electron motion and orbital motion. Two type of motions which are used to create. They are the main reason behind magnetic property. The following factors are responsible for magnetic properties. First, electron orbital motion around the nucleus. Second, orientation of electron around its own axis. फिगर में आपको दिख रहा होगा ऑर्बिटल मोशन एंड दिस इज द स्पिन मोशन. Okay. Magnetic field developed by the motion of electron, and magnetic field magnitude is denoted by Bohr magneton Bm. It is the magnetic moment magnitude. Magnetic property of the substance is categorized in 5 categories. 5 तरह की कैटेगरी में आपने मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट को क्या कर रखा है, बांट रखा है. फर्स्ट वन पहला कौन सा होगा, पैरामैग्नेटिज्म. पैरामैग्नेटिक सब्सटेंसेस आर वीकली अट्रैक्ट बाय एक्सटर्नल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. द magnetic field in the magnetic field, the direction of applied external magnetic field, they lose their magnetic properties in absence of applied external magnetic field. They lose their magnetic property in the absence of magnetic field. Paramagnetic behavior is possible due to unpaired electrons, and paramagnetic substances are weakly attracted by magnets. Okay, example O2, ferric, cupric and chromium. Second type, diamagnetism. Diamagnetic substances are prepared with the help of external applied magnetic field. They are weakly repelled by magnetic field. They have only paired electrons. In case of dia, electrons should be paired. In case of para, electron is unpaired. In case of diamagnetic substances, magnetic moment of one electron is cancelled by other oppositely arranged paired electron. Okay, example water, example HCl. Next type, ferromagnetic substances are ferromagnetism. In case of the substances which are strongly attract by external applied magnetic field is called ferromagnetic substances. It is the permanent magnetic moment In a solid state, metal ions of ferromagnetic substances are grouped together into a small region are commonly known as domain. Each domain acts as a tiny magnet. In the absence of external magnetic field, domains are random, but in the presence of external magnetic field, they are aligned with external magnetic field for a long time, and ferromagnetic substances are act as permanent magnet. Before means without external magnetic field, they are random, but with magnetic field, they are aligned along with external magnetic field. These three are the magnetic behaviors, magnetic type. First is para, second is dia, third is field. Okay, thank you.